Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SENNHEISER Momentum TWS for headphones and I'm going to show you all ways to charge your headphones. So the first, most easy way is just to plug your USB Type-C cable straight into your charging case. Here, as you can see, they are charging now. The second way is that they have wireless charging. So you can plug in your USB Type-C cable straight into your charger and then place your headphones straight on your wireless charging charger. The third way is, of course, the other phone. You have to have USB Type-C to C cable, like it's here. The first part of the cable you have to plug to your case, and the second to your phone. And now, as you can see, they are charging. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.